So let's talk about the GoPro Hero 9 touchscreen. Unpopular opinion, but I don't have any trouble with it.
What? What the? We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
When the Hero 9 first came out, yeah, I remember it being a little bit laggy, but then they quickly added a firmware update to fix it. And I made a video saying it was buttery smooth in comparison. Now they have another new firmware update that improves touchscreen performance and menus and settings. And on this video, we'll update it and actually see how much better it does. They also added camera support for open GoPro, but that'll be a video for another time. Or check out DC Rainmaker's video. He did a pretty good job. But back to the touchscreen. One thing that I noticed is that you need to put a little bit of pressure on your touch on the GoPro, otherwise it won't recognize it. So people that are just trying to touch it with one hand might not be putting enough pressure for the GoPro to recognize it. So what I do is hold it with one hand and use the other hand to touch the screen. And you'll notice that it is a lot better. I mean, sometimes it's not perfect. Sometimes you press something and it takes that little microsecond to do it because, you know, it's an action camera. It's made to be tough. Okay, so let's just do the firmware update. Let's open up the Quick app. Listen, it's the same app as before. You just got to connect to your GoPro and it will prompt you to do the firmware update. Super easy. Done. And here's what it is now. It's a lot more responsive. It's smoother. It's quicker. It is better than it was. And I think they made it easier for those corner buttons. I do notice a difference. Okay, so wow, it's better. Hope I was able to provide some good info for you on your GoPro journey. Thanks so much for watching, and if you can, hit that button right there. I appreciate that. Also, if you're new, click that one right there. Also, I have a weekly podcast right here you can click on. It's called Tech is Hard, and check out this GoPro video right here. Yeah, that's actually the plain one. If you haven't seen that one, check it out. I love that one. All right, later.